Good morning from here in Beibei in the north of Chongqing, and I can't half tell you what a surprise I've got in store for you today. So this is our event today. So at the top we have the words "I love Chongqing," a spectacular day. You can read the line below. So 1 million citizens or millions of citizens take photos of Chongqing in this themed photography event. So this is called Damotan Waterfall. So my feeling right now is one of complete amazement, because many of you might know I came to Chongqing about 17 years ago, and even though this place isn't really that far from the main city, I have to admit I've never heard of this place. As a wetland and a tourist park, I think this place is relatively new, but I have to say, the area here is absolutely stunning, so this is definitely a place I would recommend you come to. I'm just posing for photographs. Okay, so I think that's about it actually. So at the moment everybody just seems to be waltzing around, just taking photographs. There were some people rehearsing around here, so there might be a couple of performances on. So I'm going to do 1 or 2 more interviews, then I'm going to go and find that weir a bit further down the river. Okay, I found the weir. It's only about 200 meters up the lane, and again it's pretty spectacular. Oh man, we're still going up this hill. It's so hot today. Well, the view up here is really nice. It's definitely worth the walk up the hill, even on a really hot day like it is today. But I'm going to stick around for a few minutes, have a drink, then we'll go back down and see what else there is. Well, I'm having such a nice time today, but it's getting really hot. It's like a proper kind of mid-June day now. Really hot and humid. But what are my choices? So on my right here, we've got some wetlands. Down on my left, we've got the Chongqing Bridge. So I think that's going to overlook the river and a sand spit kind of in the middle. Over there, I think we've got the oilseed fields. And then also on my right, a bit higher up, we've got another viewing platform. So can I make it? Just stick with me. You're welcome. And you know, when I first came to Chongqing in 2003, 2004, you know, Beibei was kind of remote in those days. It was like an hour and a half bus ride away in the middle of nowhere. But now, you know, Chongqing has expanded so much, it's kind of part of the urban area now. And now we also have the Line 6 subway line. It's really not difficult to get here anymore. So if you're around in the area, you know, you've got a free day here, this is definitely a really nice place you could come and spend some time. No, it's so peaceful out here as well. I've kind of gone further than the other tourists around here. So maybe you can hear, it sounds like a train horn or something like that. But apart from that, there's just the sounds of nature here basically.